how to withdraw money from Binance. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can withdraw money from Binance. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to withdraw your money from Binance, then what you have to do is go ahead and launch the Binance application first. And this is the interface that you'll be able to see by default. So tap on the assets icon from the bottom right of the screen, and here you'll find various options. So depending upon whichever asset it is that you have, you'll find the option to withdraw it. So you can tap on the send button over here. You can withdraw the crypto to other exchange, or you can sell it directly. So first you must sell your cryptocurrency to Fiat. And when you've sold that crypto for fiat currency, fiat means a real currency, then after that you will be able to withdraw that currency into your bank account. So you can see these options here, like whichever crypto it is that you have, and you can simply choose to withdraw them if you want to. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.